Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making this, a wave animation. Let's change the composition name and then go to the canvas settings and change the resolution to 1080, change the frame range to 300 and change the frame rate to 30. Then add a background shape. Change the fill to a off-white. Then create a rectangle. Change its angle to 45 degrees. Change the size to 15 by 15 pixels. Decrease the vertical value by 400 pixels. Then convert the shape to a path shape and enable the path animation. Go to frame 30 and readjust the shape so it's perfectly in line on the vertical axis and horizontal axis on 0 and 400. Then let's add some easing to this animation by selecting both keyframes. Right click and go to Magic Easing, Slow Ease in and Slow Ease out. Then let's loop this animation by going loop after, oscillate. And now we have a seamless animation that goes up and down. Let's group this object and put it in a duplicator. Distribution set to linear. Increase the count to 15 and size to 800. Then let's put a stagger on the shape time offset and animate that stagger maximum value by setting a keyframe at 0, then going to frame 30 and change the maximum to 10, and then go to frame 120 and increase it to 60. And now you have a wave animation that increases over time. Then I will put the stagger into the duplicator, duplicate the duplicator and change the rotation by 180 degrees and change both horizontal positions by 15 pixels. And now you have a perfect symmetry. Let's change the fill to a more off black. And now we have a finished product. Two waves intertwining at the same time. Let's add it to the render queue. Here to the render manager, add to current render composition, go to MP4, very high bitrate, and let's export it to the desktop and click on render all. And that's it. Now we have created this awesome looking wave animation.